Hi, Dennis Ray here. This is how to use Screenify, a really great free screen recorder from iMovie. Screenify, the free screen recorder, is a user-friendly, easy-to-use, quality screen recorder with all the features you need for making excellent videos and screenshots. When you open Screenify, this is the window you will see. And there's a recording panel that appears on the top right corner of your monitor. Let's look at the recording panel first. It has the resolution that recording is set to. It has a recording button, start and stop button, and it shows a shortcut for that too. And it has a button to take screenshots with the shortcut listed there too. One thing I have that is a complaint is that the panel cannot be moved, but if you need to get behind it, you can select region in the main window and it will move. Screenify's main window on the very top has this button that takes you to iMovie's suggestion site, and this button takes you to this menu, about, check updates, and these other items there. Below those is where you can select to record full screen or a region on your screen. It shows the resolution that's set for recording right now, and this can be used to select which monitor you want to record from if you have more than one. Just a reminder, be sure to like and subscribe because it's the right thing to do, and for good karma. To the right, you can select which sound source you want to record, and then you can go to more settings, which gives you more options that you can use. And then this is used to select which microphone you want to record from, and it has more settings, and this takes us to the same menu that we saw just a little while ago. This can be used to select your webcam, and I'll show you what that looks like. So this is a Webcam Overlay, and this is really nice. It can be moved anywhere. Whoa. And can be resized. It has settings for changing the look. You can make it a circle. And you can make this bigger so you can see. You can change the look from left to right. Oh, that's rather nice. Screenify will allow you to add watermarks to your videos. If you go to this area, hit the gear icon, that takes you to these options, which are in the system settings. You can put a check mark there. In this area, you can type in what text you want to appear as a watermark, and it will preview it for you right here. And of course, there's the record, start, and stop button. On the bottom, there's this icon that takes you to this folder that shows the videos that you've recorded. You can play the video that you just recorded. You can change the speed for playback. You can trim it from the front or back. And then up here, you can select to see all the videos or screenshots you've made, or just the videos, any audio recordings that you made, or screenshots. This icon says it's a toolbar, but if you hit it, it takes you to this window, which is actually where you can reduce the noise in a video or audio recording. You click the arrow to upload the video or audio recording you have that you want to reduce noise on, and then hit this bar and it does the rest. It's a really nice feature for a free screen recorder. This gear icon will take you to system settings, and in here you have some titles that you can hit to go to that area, or you can just scroll down. When you first start recording with Screenify, it will have a countdown, which you can turn off in the settings if you want to. Also, this toolbar will appear on the bottom right of your screen, and it will not appear in your video though. And at first you'll just see these two buttons, the pause button and record start and stop button. And then over on this side it will have these arrows, and if you hit the arrow, it will bring up the full toolbar. And the full toolbar will have a countdown of your video. We'll have an icon that looks like a microphone that is actually used to mute the video. It is in the later editions of Screenify. And then this is to take a screenshot of your video, to turn the cursor off and on. You can add brush strokes to your video. You can make it larger or smaller with these dots and change the color. You can also add a square, a text box, an arrow, and lines. This is Screenify's website, and I'll put a link for it into the description below. These are links to download the program either for Windows or Mac. And there's a little information about the program here. And if you scroll down, you'll see lots of information there that will tell you about it and how to use it. Very interesting. Yeah, overall, Screenify is a very impressive screen recorder. I think you will really like it for everyday use. Be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.